Why are toilets white? I actually thought about this the other day. I was just sitting there on the toilet. My mind kept wandering. Wait, why is this white? Why are they all white? And I think it's something that may have crossed your mind before too. Maybe in the toilet. So I started guessing. Maybe it's to spot dirt faster. White shows everything, so you'd know when to clean it. That has to be it, right? That's not really the reason. That's more of a happy accident. The real story is simpler, and honestly, a little funnier. At first, I figured someone must have decided this. Like somewhere at some point, a room full of serious people in suits sat around a table and agreed, toilets shall be white. But that meeting never happened. No vote, no committee, no big decision. And once I found the actual reason, I couldn't unsee it. A toilet is made of something called vitreous china. It's porcelain, coated in a glaze made of powdered glass, then fired until it's hard, smooth, and waterproof. And that material is naturally white. That's it. That's the whole secret. Nobody chose white. It's just the color the stuff already is. And once I knew that, the rest made sense. To make a toilet any other color, you'd have to add pigment, extra dye, extra steps, extra money on every single toilet forever. And for what? We just want a clean toilet. We don't really care what color it is. So nobody bothered. White was already there, already cheap, already done. And here's the part I liked. White turned out to be perfect, completely by accident. It shows every speck of dirt, so you actually clean it. It bounces light around, so a tiny bathroom feels bigger. It goes with everything. None of that was planned. They're just bonuses that came free with the cheapest option. And in case you're thinking color was never even possible, it was. Back in the 1970s, colored toilets were everywhere. Avocado green, pastel pink, whole bathrooms in colors that would hurt your eyes today. So we could have gone any direction. We just drifted back to white because it was cheaper, cleaner, and easier. So that's it, the most uniform thing on the whole planet. Every toilet, every country, the same plain white. And not one person ever actually decided it. No plan, no meeting, just a cheap white material that happened to work, happened to look clean, happened to make small rooms feel bigger. And it quietly became the standard for the whole world while nobody was really paying attention. The biggest design choice in history was nobody choosing anything at all.